Hello and welcome to Jobsbridge Institute, where we take learners from course to building a career through our Jobsbridge Pathway program. In today's world, AI is reshaping industries and competition for tech roles is rising fast. One thing is clear, a degree alone is no longer enough. What truly sets you apart is real-world skills, hands-on project experience, and career readiness. And that's exactly what Jobsbridge delivers. Jobsbridge Pathway is an industry-ready and job-oriented, modern-day data analyst program designed by PhDs and industry experts. It blends applied learning with career outcomes through real business use cases, practical assignments, and portfolio-building projects in data analytics, Power BI, and AI aligned to what employers expect today.
And we don't stop at teaching. We make you job-ready. That's why every learner also gets access to iCareer Compass, our AI-powered job readiness and interview-boosting tools that helps you build an ATS-friendly resume, strengthen your LinkedIn profile, practice interviews, and apply smarter, so your skills translate into interviews and offers. At Jobsbridge, the goal is simple: learn, build, apply, secure. That's the Jobsbridge Pathway, a complete bridge from learning to employment.
If you're serious about transforming your career into a modern-day data expert, then Jobsbridge Pathway is your launchpad. Learn more and enroll now at jobsbridge.com. One important point: the program cost has been considerably subsidized to make it affordable for job seekers and learners looking to upgrade their skills and launch their career in 2026. You can now enroll for only $395, which is a fraction of the original cost. So why delay? Enroll now for our next cohort, starting Monday, February 2nd.
Questions? Email us at pathway@jobsbridge.com. Let's reimagine applied learning and career readiness together. Let's build a bridge together between education and employment. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all success in your future endeavors.